起掌声欢迎。
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Adam. I am 8 years old. My favorite color is green. I like to play games. Today I want to tell you a story. It's called Eddie and the Magic Carpet. One very hot day, Eddie finds a carpet in his uncle's shop. What is? Suddenly the carpet jumps, it moves and flies up into the air. Hey, what's happening? A loud booming voice comes from the carpet. Welcome, old master. I am a magic carpet. First they fly up into the sky, and then they land in the jungle. It is hot and wet, and it's raining. Then they fly to the desert. It is very, very hot and dry. It is very, very hot today. After that, they fly to the South Pole. There is lots of ice and snow is freezing. Where are we now? I can't see. In the mountains. Can you see me? It's very foggy. Then they fly to the forest. It's very windy there. All is windy in the forest. Then they fly to an island in the sea. There is thunder and lightning. Let's go home. What a storm. Finally, they fly back home. The carpet lands in the shop, and Ellie gets up. Wow, what an adventure. Thank you for your listening.